Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to the Azure DevOps King, Lecture 2. In Lecture 2, we shall discuss about the organization and team project configuration for the development team. In DevOps King, each video is prepared by certified DevOps engineer, Azure engineer. In order to search this channel on the YouTube, please search for DevOps King. You will find the channel DevOps King. Please click the subscribe button so that you can get the notification about the latest upload on the channel. In the first lecture, we have discussed how to register in the Azure cloud. After that, in the lecture 2, we shall configure the team project for the development team. First of all, we shall log into the Azure portal. After that, we shall search for Azure DevOps organization, as you can see from this icon. This is the Azure DevOps organization. If this is not visible, you can search for this Azure DevOps organization. After this, click on this Azure DevOps organization. You will, in the step 2, after clicking on the Azure DevOps organization, you will see a link like this one, My Azure DevOps organization. You will click on this link. In the third step, you will see the interface like this one, Azure DevOps organization. Click on the create new organization, as you can see on the right hand side. And in the step 4, you will provide the different parameter in order to create the Azure DevOps organization. Write the DevOps King, write the location for the project, and after this, write the character showing on the screen. After applying, you will click on the continue button. When you click on the continue button in step 5, you will provide the name of the team project, DevOps King. After that, you will select about the type of project. It's a private, its visibility is private, and its version control is Git. I shall explain the version control offered by Azure DevOps in the next lecture. And the third one is the work item types. Is it Scrum? It is a development model. Again, we shall discuss in the next lecture about the Scrum. In this step, first of all, you will select on the left hand side DevOps King. It is an organization that we have created in the first step. After selecting the DevOps King, you will create the team project for the development team. After providing these parameters, click on the create projects button, as you can see in this step. When you click on the create project button, you will see the interface like you can see on the screen. Welcome to the project DevOps King. On the left hand side, these are all the services provided by the Azure DevOps: boards, repos, pipeline, test plan, artifacts. These are all things will be discussed in detail in the coming lectures. In the step 6, select the DevOps King one on the left hand side. After that, you will click on the organization setting. Now, after creating the organization and team project, now we are configuring the user for the team project so that the user can access the team project. So in this case, we have select the DevOps organization and we shall click on the organization setting. You can see in this step, you will click on the organization setting after selecting the organization. Now in the next step, click the user link on the left hand side, as you can see this one, and you will add the user for the organization or for the team project. So after clicking on the add user button, you will provide the information about the user you are adding to the organization. Now in the step 8, you will provide the particulars about the new user you are adding in the organization. The new user name is Musa, access level is basic, add to the project DevOps King, and send email address. When we shall click the add button, email will be sent to the user Musa. So in this case, after clicking on the add button, in the next step, on the right side of the user, click 3 dots of now. On the left hand side, you will select the user link, and on the right hand side against the Musa user, you will see the 3 dots. You will select the resend invitation. In some case, you are required to send the invitation again to the user. So in the opposite side of the user, you will get the 3 dots and select the resend invitation link. Invitation will be sent to the user Musa. In the last one, you will get the invitation in the Outlook. Click the invitation link and provide the window user password. When we shall send the invitation to the user will get the mail in the Outlook, where he or she will click the link and provide the window user password in order to get the environment. Get the Azure DevOps environment like you can see this one. Up to this step, we have created the user development team in the team project after creating the Azure DevOps organization. In the next step, in the next lecture, I shall explain how we can clone the Azure repo, type of Azure repo, and what is the source control. These are all things will be discussed in the lecture 3 in the coming lecture. Thank you for watching the video. Wish you good luck for your career.